Last night we got into camp pretty late, around 10:30. Most of us went to bed right away, but we knew that morning we were gonna check air filters, make sure nothing was broken on the trucks, and make sure we were ready for the day since we had a lot of miles ahead of us.
Pull out the filter. It's a little dusty. Gonna air out real quick. See how much dust we can get out. I gotta find my attachment. My factory filter. So I threw it in here. It's like a brand new.
Oh, just in case?
Yeah, in case we mess it up too bad.
I should probably pop my head here in a minute. I gotta quick and check my GFC mounts.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That did what it's supposed to do. Looks like a little bit of mud water. A little dirty. Well, top side of mine's perfect.
That's pretty bad.
That's pretty fucking dirty. Hey, last night we arrived pretty late. I guess our trek after the trail where I blew my tire took a little longer. Then we stopped at a steakhouse for dinner, of course, and everyone wanted ice cream. We almost made a mistake and went to the peddler, the apple peddler. I don't know how that would have really been, but the guy at the gas station said it was not good, so I don't know what that really means. Beautiful spot. Views all over. It's a lookout. We were just going to come here during the day and check it out, but rolled in late and stayed here. Now we're about to get out of here and start the day.
Mom made pancakes.
Okay. We left our Riddle Mountain Overlook Trail. Had another trail to take us over that little mountain range, but part of the trail is gone. I mean, we couldn't find it. Looked around, a bunch of fences everywhere because of cattle. So to backtrack back out to the highway, just like a 39 mile, just kind of around. So we're doing that now. We end up having to air up. We're gonna be in like 1,000 mosquitoes, so we're fighting mosquitoes trying to air up. But we're about to turn down our road to take us to the Alvord Playa. It's the big dried up lake bed. I have to agree with some other people. The trail out to the Alvord Desert Playa was freaking sweet. Bunch of rollers. You're kind of not really catching air, but drooping out suspension, so feels good, and you're not going like too hard. I still gotta be keeping it easy because I gotta save my tires.
Potential jump there if you hit it hard enough.
Yep.
Yeah, I jumped. That was fun. The mud in the beginning of the trail out to the desert was very slick. Some puddles were pretty deep, but really it was fun, and at least we didn't get too much caked on mud from it.
It's pretty slippy. I went four-wheel drive just you try to do it. I think Chase did.
Whoa.
Don't let off.
Yeah, it's definitely slick. see it opened up.
The Alvord Desert. That was awesome. That was probably my favorite part of the trip so far. The trail leading out there was probably one of the favorite trails I've been on. I was able to push the truck hard and fast, and there were some nice whoops, puddles, and some just really nice sandy terrain. And we could see the Alvord Desert from a ways away, but it really didn't blow me away until we got through the brush and onto the desert flats, that I was just in awe of how vast it was. And I know it's on one of the smaller sides of a playa, but it was still pretty awesome to see.
So big.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Yeah, that's badass.
Tune I'm running on my truck is just off-the-shelf tune, and I've been having issues with it heating up if I get on it too long or trying to race people. So I was having that issue out there, so I finally changed the tune, and that made a big difference. It's running better until I get down south and have to change it again because fuel sucks. It got warmer, but it didn't overheat.
That's good.
I was more on it a lot more than before, and it would overheat. Well, it'd get hot.
I'm gonna drive through Dust Devil. Oh, look at that.
What'd you think about the desert today?
Oh yeah, and we were out in the big flat desert, and there was lots of like dry ground, and we were flying the drones around, and we played a frisbee game, and I was running around trying to get the drones.
Ready, set, go.
Geocache time. Just got away from the Alvord Desert or Playa. Making our way to another one. But they found a geocache for Colby to find.
I was standing on top of the rock basket, and I saw a peanut butter bottle, and I took the rock off it, and it was actually full of like treasures, like a bouncy ball.
That might be the logbook. That's the logbook. What treasures are in there?
Here's a bouncy ball.
Cool.
Cool box.
Can't see shit through my windows. It's not. Can't see out of the mirrors. Can't see out of the back.
It's terrible. I'm over the mud, man.
Carn-
I'm walking.
It's carne asada time.
Colby, come on, let's go.
Troy, put your little wiener away!
The short section here is 20 miles. Then we get out to the highway. Highway to gas. It's 50 miles, so you get 70 miles.
Yeah, I'm gonna add this. No pressure.
But we'll find camp along here. Like, we're not going out today.
Oh, we're not getting gas today?
No, we're not getting out of today. I figured we want to stop earlier today, not way late. Because with that mileage, it'd be like 2 hours.
Yeah.
I don't want to do what we did last night. There is a fuel stop towards the one I marked. But it's one of those just like really simple one pump places, but you can get a little bit there if you need it. I know you're fine. Probably got like 600 miles left still.
300.
Yeah, I'm under 3 now. Well, found a ghost town to stay at. I mean, I think it is. It's not private property, that's for sure. And most of the structures are falling down. Could have been like someone's homestead at some point. Let's see. Oh, they're inside. We stopped at this ghost town. It was one of the travelers' pantries. Kind of cool. We'll see if we can put some stuff in it. We didn't need to take anything. I guess he's not a cool kid. Didn't agree. Whoa. Oh, this is one of these travel pantries.
Butane if you need it. Coffee. Winter.
Yeah,
Does that power?
maybe. I don't know if it's got an outlet.
You have a soup you're gonna put in the pantry?
A light sodium chicken and wild rice. Guess I should have knocked. This one's nicer. Smells like cow, but
Yeah, that one smells better.
poor
She'd get hungry in the middle of the night.
Oh, there's a beer in here. Today we were able to get into camp early, set up, found a sweet spot, and we had plenty of time to prep for dinner. So made carne asada tacos for everybody. I think everybody had 3 or 4 tacos. Kind of enjoyed a nice evening at camp, playing Can Jam, and going on a little nature walk. And yeah, now just chilling by the fire and having a good time.